Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the camera at the Samsung Galaxy A14 and A14 5G. And the first thing I want to show you is, did you know that you don't use the full 50 MPs of the camera? You're just using 12 MPs. So if you want to have the fullest resolution, you have to change detail. Let me show you how. So just go here on the camera app, and if you're taking pictures now with the main cam, you just do pictures with 12 MPs. If you want to have the full resolution, just tap here on the symbol 3 to 4, and then you have the option here to go on 3 to 4 50 MPs. Have you seen that? Just go on 3 to 4, go on 3 to 4 50 MPs, and just now you shoot pictures with the full resolution of 50 MPs. But the disadvantage is that you cannot zoom in, and you need good light conditions, and you have to hold your camera pretty steady. That's some of the disadvantages, but if you have good conditions, then you will have the best pictures here. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is about video. So let me change it to the video area. And by the way, you can change also the resolution here on top, but it's already set up with fullest one with full HD here now. Okay, let me show you something. In case if you're taking a video and realize later, okay, that scene would have been also a great picture, you can just capture a part here later of that video. Let me show you what I mean. Let's record the video here. Okay, I need some seconds here for the video. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, and now let us play the video here. Anyhow, if it's the preview or later the gallery, let's play the video. Okay, and if you tap down here on the screen, you will have that option here to capture now a picture here from that video. And now you have a picture of that video here as well in your gallery, and maybe you can have then a great picture here from your video, what is pretty nice. Okay, let's come to the cameras here on the back, because we have several ones, and let me show you how we can switch between these cameras and what they are good for. So for that I need help here of my friend, and let's go here to the camera app. By the way, if I want to switch between these cameras, I have to go back here from 3 to 450 MP to the regular 3 to 4, because just now I can change here between these cameras. Okay, yeah, at this point, one time is the main cam, so the most powerful one. We have learned the one who shoots just with 12 MPs. And if you go on 0.5, we have much more angle. That's pretty nice for good pictures, by the way. Let me go back to the main cam. The camera cannot have everything on tape, but if I go on 0.5, we have the ultra wide cam, and now I have the whole group, hopefully. So pretty nice. By the way, the 2 is standing for a little zoom. Also pretty nice. But by the way, you can go also further if you want. But the best cam is always the one here in the middle. So with that you will shoot always the best pictures. So just choose the other ones if you are in need with that. And if you are very close to objects, like maybe 3 or 4 or 5 centimeters in front of them, the camera cannot really focus anymore. But there's also one cam here which one helps you out, a macro cam. For that, just go here on more, and then you have here the macro cam. Just enable it like this, and now the phone can focus better with that cam, and you have much better pictures if you're very close to objects. The main cam is still the much better one, but better than nothing. Okay, let me show you a bit how to take pictures. You know this already, but did you know that you can use also here, if you hold your phone like this, the volume buttons. With that you can take also pictures. Pretty nice. So anyhow, if you're using the volume up or volume down key, you take always pictures with it. By the way, it works also for the videos. If you just press one of these volume keys, you start a video, and if you press one of them again, you will stop the video. So pretty nice. Okay, and if you're already at the buttons here, so there's a nice way to quick launch the camera by just double tapping the power button, and you're immediately at the camera without missing time and so on. And what is pretty great, even if your phone is on standby, same thing. Just double press the power button and you're immediately at the camera without missing time, and hey, may this saves a great picture one day. Another cool feature is if you want to take pictures and you want to be also on your photo, then you can use a timer. So just tap here on the little clock, then you can choose here a timer. Maybe the 1, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And that means if I have chosen now the 2 seconds, if I press the shutter button, there's a countdown of 2 seconds, and then the photo is taken by the camera. And there's another nice way to have a picture if you're a bit far. You can take pictures also with your palm. Let me show you a bit more about this. It works only at the front cam, by the way. And if you're having your phone like this, and if you lift up your palm, the phone knows, okay, he wants to take a picture, and he's making a selfie then. So one more time, lift up your palm, the phone is recognizing it, and then you can smile, and the phone is taking the picture. Pretty nice. Okay, another feature to support your pictures are grid lines. Let me show you a bit more about. So just tap here on the symbol for the settings and scroll down a bit, and then you have here the point grid lines. And with these little grid lines now here, the camera, they will help you to to hold your phone in the best position for taking the pictures. Then you make a nice landscape pictures maybe because they know where the horizon line is then. Also you can recognize it better then. Just try it out a bit, and it will help you, and will help you to make better pictures with. Okay, for the last two features, I need my friend here again, because when the camera, because we can enable some filters. So let me go here on the magic stick, and here we can change some colors. No? So this is the original one, pretty nice by the way. We can make it more warm, or we can make it also cooler, or choose here some other options. So pretty nice, even black and white, so the classic mode and so on. And you can change your also the filter strength, so that you still have a big color and so on. So just try a bit out so you can have nice pictures with. And I want to show you also this point here, face, because this is a beauty filter. No? If you go here on off, you can turn it on, or maybe it's turned on already at you, then you can turn it off here as well. And I can change it with the smoothness of your skin tone and so on. No? You can even make the jaw line a bit smaller and so on, and also have some effects, some nice ones for your eyes and so on. But to be honest, let us off it, because we are beautiful like we are. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you some nice tips and tricks for your camera at the Samsung Galaxy A14 and A14 5G. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.